This is a Blink Outdoor 4 camera.
And in this video, I'll show you how to set one up. Here's the box for the Blink Outdoor 4 camera. Let's check out what's inside. So after you remove the sticker tabs, it just opens right up like this. Get rid of this. You have the box right here, and you have the camera right here. So let's see this is what the camera looks like. Let's set that down. Then here's the mount. It's the mount for it. Another clip. We'll find out what that's for. Some hardware. Basically just 2 screws and some batteries. In this box, we got the sync module. We got the little instruction startup guide. And we got the charger and the USB for the sync module. So you can use this as an attachment this way, and I think to give you a different angle, you can attach it like this. That way you can get a right angle, versus if you attach it like this, you can have it mounted like that. Here's what it looks like with the adapter. So this way you can aim down if it's on the wall and needs to go down, or if you want to put it on a table, you put it flat like this. It's got two mounting screws. You can also remove this and put it like this, like that. Pretty cool. Also, this end can be used as a screwdriver to remove the back. A couple turns and it comes off. And this is where you install the batteries. Note it that it's, hit that like button, lithium batteries only. And just put them in like this. You also have a USB plug that comes out when you pull this off right here. That's the USB plug. I'm guessing it's for maybe data, or maybe you can use it without without batteries. I'm not sure, but probably to download video if you needed to. Anyway, let's put this back. Use this to screw it back on. Like I said, couple turns, and it's back on. Now let's set up the app and set up the sync with it as well. So for the app, in the App Store, search for Blink Home Monitor System and then download it. Okay, wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, hit open. Here's what it looks like. Create an account. Select your country.
America.
Yeah, we're in the East. Hit OK. Put in your email address. After you enter the email, hit next. Then you have to create a password. Then hit create account. Now it's asking for a code for verification of the email. Hit verify. Now you can put a phone number. Hit next. Then it's going to ask you for the code to verify the phone number. Hit next again. Since I'm doing this for somebody else, I'll say don't allow. So it says I need to link Amazon and Blink together. For now, I'm gonna just skip it and see if I can bypass that. Before setting up any cameras, hit the plus button and hit the sync module. Then here's our sync module plugged in. Scan the QR code. It says create a new system. Continue. Name the system. Just write home security. So it says blinking and steady green, blinking and steady green. Hit discover. It says it wants to join the network. Hit join. Okay, now we click on our Wi-Fi and enter our Wi-Fi password. Then we hit join. Give it a few more minutes. Now it says it's updating not to unplug the sync module. So we'll let it do its thing. Now it started weirdly flashing like this. I'm not sure why, but I guess we'll see. Oh, there it goes. So it's added. Okay. You hit the plus button here. You hit the wireless cameras, and then you scan the QR code on the camera. Select the home security system, which we created for the other camera. Continue. It shows you things you should avoid. Now it's updating the firmware, and now it says camera added successfully. So we hit next. It's telling me about a free plan. Okay. And here's the camera. So if I hit play, you can see it's recording me. Pretty cool. You can also click on these 3 dots and should be able to device settings, mess with the name. So you can say M1, and now it says outdoor camera 1. Check out how I installed Blink Video Doorbell next.